Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video we'll unbox and review the new mini Care Bear box, which is priced at just rupees 3.99 including shipping. If you're an existing subscriber of mine, you already know about the Care Bear box. It's my favorite subscription box and probably the best subscription box available in India. It's priced at 4.99 including shipping, and they have period essentials, some activities and a lot of goodies in it. It's still available for the month of June, but they have an additional edition as well, which is the mini box. So let's start unboxing. I also have an additional discount code using which you can get additional off, and the discount code is displayed on the screen right now. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package reached me. There is a layer of cling wrap on it as well. So the box looks exactly same as the original variant, but it's just a bit smaller in size. Once we open, we have all the products very nicely wrapped in a mesh glitter kind of fabric, and we have all the goodies here and some activities. So let's go through them one by one. So this box is for people who have their cycles for 3 to 4 days. So this is the mini edition, and hence we have 4 boxes here rather than 5, and you get a total of 9 pads in these, including your day and night variants, which you can choose yourself of course. And I feel this is actually more than enough for most of the girls. So it is a very practical option since you're even saving money through this. So everything is same. We have the same biodegradable pouches. We have a pad of choice. We have hand sanitizer in each pouch for personal hygiene. And you also get some toilet seat covers. For a 3-month subscription, you can also get a toilet seat sanitizer by peesafe. But as such, all the other things, the packaging, everything is same. We have some quotations. So let's go through them first. The first day says, period happens, chocolate helps. Hashtag chocolate craving, so true for the day one. It says read your heart out for the activity. So they might be having some online books or stories that you can read for day one. And here are the goodies. You have some green tea, which is good for cramps, and then a 5-star 3D chocolate and some Skittles, because summer means so true. I am having mangoes every day nowadays. Now for the day 2, there is a conversation like this. A man says, why are you acting so weird? Periods can't be that bad. And the girl replies, no uterus, no opinion. So yeah, sometimes men don't really understand what we go through during periods, but we are always there to support each other. As an activity, it says get lost in a good movie. Yeah, I love movies and good food. Any day it can make my mood better. And here are the goodies. You have a hibiscus tea, which has peppermint as well, which is good for your pain. Then you have some energy bar or chocolates. Then the Milano cookies, I love them, and some hajmola or swad, which will help you in bloating, and I like the taste also. It's so chatpata and something nostalgic as well. Moving on to day 3, here it says rules are made by ones who don't bleed for who bleeds every month. That is so true. We still have some rules. Some families and some places in India still have those rules. You can't touch certain things. A girl during periods can't go inside kitchen and all those things, and those rules are made by men, so they don't have any rights to make rules like these, right? So we should break free of all those things. We should accept it as a natural thing, and there is nothing bad in having periods. Due to our menstruation, we are actually able to get pregnant and keep the world going. So it's actually something good. Here we have a green coffee, instant one, and there are some Nutri biscuits which have choco chips. So yeah, can't wait for that. And finally, we have the day 4. It says, did you know Lahu Ka Lagan? July 2018, ending Lahu Ka Lagan GST Council scraps the tax on sanitary napkins. That's really nice. That's actually a good initiative by the government. It's the day 4, and it says words built worlds, imagination and life. That is so true. So maybe you can learn some new words on this day. And here you have tea or coffee as per your preference, and some Arogya bar. So this is a millet-based nutrition bar that contains all of these things, which is rich in iron, which is very important because we lose a lot of blood during our periods, and blood is basically having hemoglobin, which has heme, so we need iron. So a good addition, I would say. And here are all the treats we have, so let's go through them one by one. This is the day one. I can already see the 5-star 3D chocolate, so looking forward to having this one. I love 5 stars, 5-star crunchy 3D any variant. Then we have a couple of mango bites. We have Skittles, and there is this Organic India Tulsi green tea lemon ginger variant. This one is anytime eat berry blast energy bar or snack bar kind. Then Milano cookies, hibiscus cinnamon clove green tea. I think I'm gonna love this. And then some hajmola, 2 different variants. Then here we have this Nature Valley Nutri Biscuits in the honey oats variant. It's a small pack. There is another green coffee instant one. Then this is the Arogya bar, which is the millet based nutrition bar, and a pack of brew instant coffee too. So these are all the goodies that we have in the mini Care Bear box. Here is the welcome card that says Dear Sonam, welcome aboard, and there is a feedback form too. And here is the info detail about this Care Bear mini period box. You'll be getting period essentials, hygiene plus goodies plus activities, and there are 4 packets of pads, 7 sanitary pads for daytime and 2 for night, 9 hand sanitizers, 9 disposable bags, 3 toilet seat covers, or you can get a toilet seat spray as well if you go for a 3-month subscription. Then you have 4 packets of goodies, 1 for each day, then some activities which are offline, and then some activities which are online. So for online activities, you can visit this carebear.in/activities. And here are the offline activities. One is there where you have to find the image differences. I used to love this when I was a kid. In fact, I still love it. And then there's a Sudoku here, and there are 2 more activities here. So really nice. I enjoy these things a lot. It actually keeps you occupied. When you feel pain, you just want to distract yourself with something nice and productive, and these activities definitely work that way. So yeah, this is an affordable version of Care Bear box, and I loved it. You have all the benefits, all the good things that a Care Bear box has. Only thing is, this is for people who have periods for lesser number of days. I know so many people, especially those who are above 40 years of age, especially moms and all, they don't have periods for very long. And even for young people, we all have different durations of periods. There are so many people who have periods for like 3-4 days, and 9 pads are more than enough for even a light period for 5 days, those who don't have a heavy flow. So I'm very happy with this new launch. It's definitely value for money and a great option for those who wanted something more affordable, yet a really good period subscription box which actually covers everything overall. So if you liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.